Hey, what it do? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flaming Manny back at it again with another video. Um, I'm here. I know you can tell by the title. I'm gonna show you how to copy successful traders on Pocket Option. This video is gonna be quick. This video is just so I can drop something really quickly while my other stuff is working in the background. I'm gonna make this video for your everybody who just started on Pocket Option. Alright, so this is my Pocket Option. I know there's no money in it. No, I had took out all the money because I wanted to invest in Shiba Inu coin. If you want to know what that is, let me know. Shiba Inu coin is basically the Dogecoin killer. Yeah. Um, so in order to copy people's trades, or you want to copy somebody's trades, like say as soon as you get onto a trade Pocket Option, what you need to do is hop onto your Pocket Option. This is as soon as I load into my Pocket Option, this is what I see. Then you need to go up here to the right, this area right here. You hit social trading, right? And then it says live trading. These are people who have top ranked tradings within, I want to say within, oh look, it says it right here, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. It tells you within how long, so you know they're active right now, and it shows you the little green dot next to their names. And you can also copy the most successful traders of, I think, all week, 24 hours actually, in the last 24 hours. Here they are. She was 100% profitable for 13 trades. This person did 508 trades and was only 61% profitable. So you can go ahead and choose whoever you want. I'm gonna just hit star for people who were recently online. Then what I would do is hit, say you hit Charlie P dot, you get onto their you just press on their name, right? You press on their name, it'll this screen will pop up, and then what you need to do from here is make sure you want to copy them. Like look at their from yesterday, how many trades did they used to do yesterday, or of all time. As you can see, trading profitable, they're only $500 profitable. So I don't know if I would copy them, but this is just an example. You hit Charlie P, and then at the bottom you see this right here. It shows you copy trades. You hit that, and then this screen pops up. I'm gonna go ahead and explain that to y'all guys. Copy in proportion. So say they put in $100 to copy somebody for $100. You want to say you want to copy them 3%. Oh, delete that 100% and put 3%, right? So, so you want to copy them 3%. 3% means $100. This is 10. $100, and you want to copy them 3% of their actual investment. So if they put in $100, you're gonna copy only. If they put a $100 trade in, you're gonna copy them, but you're only gonna copy them for 3%. So you would only do $3 if they did $100, and you have to kind of be careful with this, kind of mess with it. But I feel like 3% is a really good percentage. So yeah, you can fiddle with it and figure out what you like. You can also set a stop balance. So if say if your account is on like 200, 300, and you don't want it to somebody who's just doing bad consistently to waste all your money if you're copying them, this is what you want to do. So say I had $200 and they did a couple unsuccessful trades, and they went down to my account said $150. It would stop copying them. So that's really good. Minimum copy. Oh, what's the max amount that you want to copy them? So this, like, say they do $1,000 trade and you only have $200 in your account. If you do a 3%, that's gonna be $30. So I would suggest that you did $200, so it wouldn't be too much. Oh, this is minimum. Minimum, I would put unlimited, but the max, this is where you would put the 100. So, if they did more than $100 a trade, you wouldn't copy them. I would actually change this to like 200 because 3% of 200 is $6. So that's pretty good. And then what you would do is you would hit confirm, and then it would say you have started copying this trader. So that's how you know it worked. And it lets you know everything right here in this area right there. If you want to stop copying people's trades, you would go to say you would load into your screen, right? Just remove that. This is what your screen would look like when you first load into Pocket Option. What you would need to do is go over here to social trading, press that, go over here to the this little icon with two papers right there, and then you would press it, and then you see on the top it says live trading, and these are history is people you've copied before. As you can see, I was not successful with Devil S and Victor. Yeah, just be careful who you copy. Don't base your success off of other people's success. I'm gonna show a little picture. Live trading, you would hit their name, and it should pop up right here. Edit trades, and then or stop copying this trader, and you would hit that. It should be up there. It's just it doesn't show for me because my bank account. My account balance went below 150, so it automatically stopped copying him. So yeah, this is a quick video for you guys. Just something to put out so you guys can enjoy it. This video shouldn't be more than 10 minutes long. I am still waiting on my business cards to get here, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy me talking about Pocket Option, let me know in the comments below. I can keep covering more Pocket Option videos. See you next time. Peace.